Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego microwave like this one. Okay, let's get started. You'll need two 2x4s, one door. There's that. You need a 1x4. Then you'll need a stud piece like this that has a stud right there and right there. Grab a stud, put it right there. There you go. Then put that there. Grab a 2x4. Grab a door. Grab the door. Put it right there. Like that. And grab the 4x1. Put it right there. Then grab the one with the stud. Put that right there. And grab the other 2x4. Put it right there. Okay. There you go. A Lego microwave. Bye now.